Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies. Behind me here we have the Hydroblast Max. This is the 3-phase industrial, fully industrial parts washing system. High pressure spray wand right here behind me. Air blow off inside. Cartridge filters in the hopper here. Only use degreaser and cleaner in this machine. This thing has a pressure of 1200 psi at the nozzle, and it will clean parts, it will degrease parts, it will remove abrasive from parts after you've vapor honed. A lot of people have questions about that, like how do I remove abrasive after I vapor hone? This is the answer. This is the solution. 1200 psi, it's heated. This is a 3-phase version. We can do them different voltages, but it's much easier to do 3-phase on these cabinets. We have a huge heater that heats the sump and a big, huge pressure pump on this thing. It's not just any high pressure pump. This is an industrial version made for this application, and it's something we've worked on for a couple years now. But if you're looking for a robust industrial parts washing system that's very fast, then this would be it. Again, you have a spray wand, it's foot pedal controlled. You can see behind me it has a window wiping system on it. This machine's fantastic for quickly degreasing parts. People love automated parts washing systems, but they're only 40 to 80 psi at the spray nozzles. Yes, it's automated, but those things take forever and they do not clean all the parts. They do not clean all the grease off. Ask anybody that's ever used one, and you might have used one yourself. You know that they do not work as well as they should for the money. So this thing is the way to do it. It cuts your time down tremendously on cleaning parts. I mean, this thing's fast. You can clean parts in seconds and get it back into service, because as a mechanic, you guys know that time is money. Just like any business, time is money. So this is the new system for 2021. It's in a stainless steel cabinet here, unpowder coated. We can do it unpowder coated or powder coated, however you want it. If you wanted it in carbon steel, I might build it. I'm not sure though, I'm not sold on that. I love stainless steel, it never rusts. It's never gonna go anywhere. But you guys let us know what you need. Again, if you want to pre-clean before you vapor hone, or you want to use this just as a parts washer, or you want to use this as a way to remove abrasive from those tight passageways after vapor honing, this is a solution. It's 1200 psi and it will do the job quickly. So as always, if you have questions on this product, give the sales team a call, shoot them an email. They're here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.